Alright guys, so today we have this Ford Escape 2013. This one has a 2.4 engine. I'm gonna show you guys where is the O2 sensor. I'm gonna replace the O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 1. So the bank 1 is gonna be, this is the connector for the bank 1, this black one. We have the bank 2, this is the connector for the bank 2. So this one I'm just gonna unplug it from here. You press on this clip, and as you press, you have to pull this one in the back. It has six pins in there, and then back here you're gonna be able to see the O2 sensor. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end up removing the top cover. We're gonna remove these nuts. These are size 15. It has this bolt size 8, and it has these clips. You just have to slide out. It has these clips. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's another bolt size 8 here, and we have this cover with a size 15. To remove this one, guys, press down here, and it's gonna release. It has like a spring that you just have to push in. Pause it. One of the 8mm. This is the other one here. This is gonna be a size 7. We have the little clip here. This is what's the next stand that we need to pop out. This one going to here. Once we move this out, we're gonna find one bolt here. This is a size 8mm. There's one on each side. Now with that out, we're gonna remove the O2 sensor, this one. Okay, so we put in the socket, guys, the 7/8. here it is, guys. This is the O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 1. Has 6 pins. Alright guys, so we got a new part. We're gonna go ahead and install it. This is the part that they got. I don't recommend to get these sensors from I.Y.AUTOSCHOOL. Try to get a different brand. So we're gonna go ahead and put it back.
¿Ese se conecta con el de ahí o qué?
Sí. Dale para acá. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is it for the video. We just have to reverse the process and put everything back together. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.